Jashawn Giotti here, guys, with the Giotti Report, where we talk media, tech, and news. Well, today's episode is about Samsung and the Galaxy Tab S8. Now, the Tab S8 has been all over the internet for the last week or so, guys. We talking about photos and videos of all three variants, including a fourth variant that we'll get into later on in the show, so stick around for that. But Samsung has tried to catch up with the leakers, and what they did was they unveiled or released the official press render. Now, through these renders and leaks of these photos, guys, we can see on that front facing, I mean that massive screen at 14.6 inches, one of the things you're going to notice is that camera module or that camera bump, guys, and it's there. You can see it, it's clear, it's easy to see, and reason for it being there is the implementation of Samsung's what they're calling auto framing. It's a new sensor and a software they're putting directly into the camera module, guys. This is going to allow you to stay in frame using panning and zooming features in the camera, and this is a great thing. It allows you to take advantage of that full wide OLED display, and is giving you more features to the front facing camera, being to the fact that we use our front facing cameras more than we use the rear facing cameras in this selfie video vlogging zoom world that we live in now. I mean, it just makes sense for them to focus more on a front facing camera and give some features that allow people to access and take advantage of the entire device. So I think Samsung is doing a good job in their approach in this part, guys. Another thing that we can expect is that added S Pen support that comes with the Tab. Well, they're saying that the S Pen is coming in at 3 times better than the current S Pen that's out now. And guys, I mean 3 times better than what it is. Let's just wait and see how 3 times better looks and feels. But they're saying it's a 2.8 millisecond delay when using the pen. Now, guys, we're getting closer and closer to paper. For those of you who draw, doodle, take notes, and write with your tablet, guys, I think you're really going to enjoy that 2.8 millisecond delay. Myself, being an S Pen fan, I'm going to enjoy it, guys. And if that's the best we can get for now, then I'll take it. Another thing that we can look for is that added SD card slot. Now, expandable storage is something that we all love on our devices, and when you're spending upward from $850 to $1,100 or more for a device, you want to be able to expand the storage as much as you need to. Now, let's get into pricing as well. The Galaxy Tab, the S8 Ultra, is going to come in at $1,100, and then we're going to be looking at $900 for the Plus and around $850 for the S8. Now, guys, understand when you're talking about RAM, we're looking at 8 gigs of RAM, 12 gigs of RAM, and 16 gigs of RAM is going to be on that Ultra device. So, guys, if you want that Ultra experience with that large amount of RAM and a larger amount of storage capacity, know that you're going to have to pay that Ultra price, that larger amount of money guaranteed. But, guys, that's the one I'm going after because I want all the features. Now, is this really a laptop replacement? Even though they have onboard decks where you can hit the decks tab and it can go into what's basically like a Chromebook. It gives you that full user experience or that web browser, that full web browser experience. Does it really replace your laptop? And the answer is no, it doesn't. Is it something that you can get the job done with? Yes, but for $1,100 and up, I think you guys should be able to replace the laptop at this time. And you got to understand what you're spending your money on. If you're not looking for a laptop, then this may be a perfect thing for you. But if you are looking for a laptop replacement, you just might not be 100% satisfied. This is still a tablet that has full browsing options, but understand, guys, it's not a laptop. But the prices are up there with laptops, if not even more. I couldn't recommend getting this to replace your laptop, and this is 2022. I mean, if you can just hit a button and turn it straight into a PC, then hit a button and turn it straight back. I think I'm getting ahead of myself, guys. Now let's move on to what else we can see or what else we can expect. Now, I told you guys about a fourth variant that was leaked or unveiled or whatever we've seen in these videos. Well, it's gone by a code name, but the SMT270. Now, the SMT270 is a budget device. You can look at it and see it's going to have budget material, it's going to have budget quality. So we're talking about all low-end specs or a little bit under the average with the specs coming in on this device. We do not have a name or a price for this device, but we can expect it to be released. Now, will it have added S Pen support? With most budget devices, the answer is probably no. But I mean, there's anything that can happen. We just have to wait and see what Samsung does at the Unpacked event. Guys, I am Jashawn Giotti. This is the Giotti Report, and I hope this information finds you well. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell notification to be notified when I drop new content. Give us a thumbs up because it helps with the algorithms. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, peace, peace.